Tokozani, this is Kokotabla Manzi. It is Agamatebula. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you that are new, welcome to the family. Togozani. And shout out to people that are watching from the United States of America, the UK, my home country, South Africa, and Swaziland, Mozambique, Botswana, Sri Lanka, and I'm still gonna check, but I know that a lot of you are watching me from different countries. So Gozani guys, and welcome. This is Gogo Dabla Manzi Kehla Lagamathebula. Like ngifuna sikhulume about kulala nesilwane. Ngifuna sikhulume about uphupha ulala nemuntu ebusuku, uphupha ulala, it might be your ex, it might be your boyfriend, your current boyfriend, or it might be your husband, like uphupha ulala nendoda yakho ebusuku. So I'm sorry, a lot of you know ukuthi if uphupha ulala nemuntu ebusuku akusi right, lawo maphupho lamabi, and then you need to be like you need to go and consult, you need to go see a traditional healer, you need to go see a prophet atogeza akususe leso silwane, because every single day that thing iyakungcolisa because ulala nesilwane. That is not your husband that now no phupha ulele naye, no. Silwane labakuthumele ngaso bantu bafuna ukukulwisa nendoda yakho, bafuna ukukulwisa na your boyfriend. So if uphupha ulala na nemuntu, maybe sometimes uyambona, sometimes awumboni, sometimes ubona likhehla, because some of you niyabona, and then you may be able to see that thing that you are sleeping with and akujabulisi. So one thing that you need to know, see, if you are having such dreams, know that you are being attacked, you are spiritually attacked. Bafuna ukubhidlitela likhaya lakho, bafuna ukubhidlitela umshado wakho, bafuna ukubhidlitela your business, your family, cause lendo iyakungcolisa, ikufaka sicitho, ugcina songathandwa abantu, ugcina songathandwa by your colleagues, your boss at work, your church members, your neighbors, whatever the case might be. So no, Guti, if such things are happening, please suguma and go look for help. Another thing, sometimes like letindo tigai three guys, tigai three. Another thing, ungaphupha, okay fine, bakuthumela ngesilwane, and then uthola ukuthi leso silwane bekuyi, let me say, it might have been your ex-boyfriend. Okay, before we even get to that, guys, tinto leti, so maybe nanguthi ulala nesilwane ebusuku, ulala uphupha onje, uphupha tinto leti snacks, ulala netinto ebusuku. Letinto leto, first of all, tithumelwa yini? It can be your family, it can be your ex-boyfriend, it can be your best friend, cause angafuni ukuthi ube kule relationship, cause ubonile ukuthi if you are in this relationship uyoshadwa wena, uyothola likhaya elihle, yatini, everything will be amazing for you. So baba jealous bantu, so bakuthumelela ngetinto letibheke eceleni. So another thing, when you are having this type of dreams, it can be your your ancestors, it can be ithonga lakho, it can be idloti lakho, it can be idloti lakho, yes. Why ngisho so? It can be idloti lakho. Most of the time futhi uthi lento yakhona awuyiboni. That means ukuthi idloti lakho sebaliguculile, sebaliyenda esilwane, akusasidloti lelihle, alisakulethela izinto letihle, alisakhona ukukuvikela, alisakhona ukuyenda lutho, instead liyakungcolisa. Liyakungcolisa, and then uthola ukuthi nalikungcolisa sona, like vele, like you fight with your husband, you fight with your wife, or you're no longer attracted to your wife the way that you used to be, or like suck irritator out of nowhere, suck irritator when. So you must be careful. Those are the things that you need to know. And then another thing, okay, yes, go painful and everything, but what can you do? Banbaganga, you just need to go and ungahlali and fold your arms, like hamba sukuma uyofunisisa life yakho, go and look for help. But sisa kusina sexo kenakalan, some of you don't wait kuthi umuntu aze akugugulishe kumbe ayende in khuluma. If you have a problem, gogo yatini ebusuku angilali ngidliwa ebusuku nemini. It's life, life, you understand? But this is what it has come to be. This is the life that we're living. This is the world that we are living in. So let's say, like, oh, don't be ashamed. Be ashamed. Gunzima. Yeah, we've all been through some things. So do not feel ashamed. Like, life, guys. So sometimes it was your ex-boyfriend. It was your ex-boyfriend washona, and then awuzange wavumela ukuthi umbone, awuzange wageza, awuzange waenda some certain rituals ukuthi yathi nomuntu loyo angaphindze avuke atokuhlupha, cause yena okwathi ukuthi wena umuntu wakhe spiritually, ninenishadile spiritually, wakhe uyaku-owner. You understand? Cause nakavuka la abekalele khona yena ufuna nabani, ufunana na I don't know ngithi ufuna na Alicia. Ufunana na Alicia tomfuna zamthola, and uyakwazi ukuthi uhlala kuphi ngane kusendlini, utohamba ukuthola Alicia vele ngeke ukuthi uhlala la, Alicia ngimthola la ngesikhathi leso mina na Alicia besenda tindezi so you guys, please yekelani kumela tindo tize timoshakale to an extent yokuthi akusasimnanzi, so bhidliketela, so umoshakela likhaya, umoshakela your career, everything nje kuyamoshakala, asathanzwa abantu nje rough. So guys, please, these are the things that you need to checkani. If kunento nje lengekho right, isilwane asikho right guys, isilwane siya destroyer, isilwane nje siyabhidlita, sikena unyanyise nje. Sometimes you even like uphuma pimples lamanye lanyanyisako, uyanyanyisa man, like uyamangala nawo nje nawufika ebantwini nje kutshintsha imood wena nakufike wena. It's because of that thing, iyakuhlupha iyakungcolisa, and then umsebenzi wayo vele ukuthi i-destroye imoshe. So guys, please do check out this video, do check out the things that I have said. If there are some certain things that you are currently going through, please, you have my WhatsApp number. Text me, Gogo. Okay, fine. Anglale busuku, Gogo. This is what's happening. Nyaksita. I'm here not because I'm only talking, but also to help you as well. Not only to identify your problem, but to help you. So now you are sleeping with such a thing. Ulala nesilwane, ulala na Tokoloshe. Text me. Send a message. Let's fix it. So guys, and stay blessed. I love you guys. Ndawe.